All right, let's talk about how you can insert columns and rows within Excel. So here we have a simple example with some sales data. We'll notice here that we skip from 2025 to 2027, so we need to add a column in between these two for 2026. And we'll notice that we only have 11 months, and so we are missing May, which we need to add a row for May. The first step is to determine where you want your new column to be. So when inserting a column, we obviously want our new column for 2026 to be in between these two columns. So we will select the column that is to the right of the space where we want to add it. So we'll select the column, right click, and all you need to do is hit insert. And that will insert a column to the left of whatever column you have selected. So then we can label this 2026. Now to add our row, we do the same thing. And whichever row we select, the column will be inserted above that row. So we need to select June to put May above June, and we'll go ahead and right click and hit insert, and that will insert a row above whatever we had selected. So we can now label that May. Now you can also select multiple columns or rows at the same time, and if I hit insert, and you'll notice that I have 5 columns selected. And if I hit insert now, it's going to add 5 more columns. And the same thing will happen with rows. If I select 5 rows and hit insert, above that it will insert 5 total rows. But there you have it. That's just kind of a basic, simple way that you can insert columns and rows within Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget before you leave to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you, and have such a great rest of your day.